Okay, here we are. Part 3. Part 3 of the Lego Saturn V. Boom. Let's go ahead and give us a nice thumbnail there. Hands off. Boop. Nice. Okay, so part 3 of the series of building the Lego Saturn V. Hope you've been enjoying it so far, if you have been watching. If you haven't watched the previous videos, feel free to skim through those. They're all on my channel. You can just check. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll try, if I remember. I hope so. And yeah, so join me as I continue this wonderful build. I'm really excited to see how it all looks when it's put together. The Lego Saturn V Rocket. The rocket that took man to the moon. Alrighty, well, without further ado, I'm going to continue. If you like the background music that I'm playing, Una Originals, check it out. Copyright-free music, a friend of mine makes it. That's UNNA Originals on Spotify, on YouTube. You can find him around and give him a listen if you enjoy it. He's got a bunch of different genres, a bunch of different vibes. Just have it playing in the background while you study or whatever. It's great. So, here we go. Let's go ahead and start with part 3. So, we open up, oh no, there we go. We open up the pouch. Boom. So, we have a mini pouch within a pouch, and then a bunch of loose parts here. Okay, so what do we need to do first? Oh, we're gonna make 4 again. Okay, so if anybody watched the last video, the last part 2, we made 4 parts in a row and then put them all together. So we're gonna do the same thing once again, so it seems. So let's go ahead and do that. So we need 4 of these and 4 of those. That's it. So 4 of these and 4 of these. And also 4 of these. So let's go ahead and quickly grab all this stuff. 3 and 4. Once again, sorry for the loud noise. So for that, 3, 2. The bag is kind of crackly. All right, boom. So let's quickly put this together. Ooh, almost dropped it. Alrighty, and let's hope that we don't have any disasters in this video, because if you were watching the previous video, you'll know that there was a little disaster as we were putting in the first part. We were connecting the first part. Oh, the Lego fell apart, and so we were able to salvage it. We were able to save him, disaster averted. Hopefully, we'll be a little bit more careful this time and not have any disasters. Alrighty, and we might as well just get 4 of those little thin pieces. Ah, they're in here. Separate bag. Boom. Boop. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we go. Ah! Set you there. Alrighty, so boom, and we want to do this and this, like so. So we want to do this 4 times. Boop. Boop. 2, 3. And 4. Boom. Alrighty, next page. Now we get 6 of these, no, 8 of these, which are all here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other 4 are here as well. 2, 3, bunch of white ones and the 4 American flags. Let's go. Okay, so let's get all of these white ones. Ooh, that's a lot. Boop. Boop. I'm not even counting because there's a whole bunch of them that we're gonna need. I'm just gonna assume that we need all of them, and I'll just grab them all. Should that be enough for now? No, it's 9 for each of the 4. Holy moly. Well, let's get the 4 American flags. Boop. Yeah, and get all the rest of these white pieces out. Boom. Boom, boom. Sorry about the noise once again. There's not much I can do about the rustling bag. Let's see if we can find the last American flag. Write a comment if you've seen it before me. I'm sorry. Almost done. Will the American flag be the very last piece that we get here? I'll bet it will. No? Oh, actually, yes. Oh my. No. Where is it? I took it out without realizing, didn't I? Yes, I did. Okay, let's see. Where are you? It'll show up. It'll show up. It's fine. Now let's go ahead and do these. So, at the end that doesn't have the blue, we add 1 and 2. Lovely. 1 and 2. And let's just go ahead and do that real quick for all of these friends. Boom. Boom. Vibing with some chill lo-fi music. This is the Uno Originals album called Saturn, which is actually very appropriate to have in the background as we put together the Saturn V Rocket. So, now let's go ahead and get 9 of these fellows. So that's going to be 6. First, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we get the American flag here. 7, and now 2 more white ones underneath. Oop. Oop. 1 and 2. That's the first one. Alrighty. Next. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, there it is. It showed up. I'm sure somebody already saw it when I was setting it with the rest of the parts there and was like, no, you put the flag with the others. It showed up. We found him. No problem. There we go. 2. Now the same. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, so these parts where you make 4 of the same thing, we're probably going to end up doing that. We're probably going to end up doing that multiple times during the whole build, because I'm going to assume that pretty much every side of the 4 sides is going to be basically the same. So we're going to be making 4 of everything all the time, which is nice. So it should speed up the build considerably, because if everything was sort of different independent parts and each part was not repeated at all, it would probably take longer. But for these parts where it's like make 4 that are exactly the same, boom, 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 then you can sort of set it up like a like a, what do you call that in English? Like a production chain. That's it. And you just make all 4 in a row super fast. Beam bam. Like that. Oh wow, okay. So now we set these, oh, so we're not done yet. Ooh, okay. So we got 4 of these. And now we already add the 4 parts to the main build. Okay, that's fun. So, up here, the flag on the bottom, like so. Oh dear, really? That's the only part that's gonna be touching there. Okay, carefully now. We don't want to repeat the disaster of the first attempt. Oh dear, oh, I don't like that. Well, it'll probably get pushed in again afterwards. Okay, here we go. 2. Boom. Yeah, I don't like how they're bananaing out there like that. But as soon as we're done, they'll probably get much more solidly attached. Boom. Okay, so now we have these 4 parts there. Yeah, see how they're sticking out like that? Well, I'll probably grab on tighter afterwards. Okay. Boom. Next part. Okay, so we are going to make 4 of these. So we need 8. 8 of those. I think this is basically just all the other parts, isn't it? No? No, okay. Not yet. Okay. I'm just gonna do this faster like that, rather than rummaging through the bag. So we need another 8 of these. Now, isn't that much more chill than rummaging through the bag, making all that sound? Boop. Let's put these back in the bag for later. All right, so now we make 4 of these. So we take 1 part, we put this here, and we put this here like that, and then we make another one that's the same, but that has the little part on top, the button. No, I gotcha. Saved. Okay, and then we put this on top, like that. Okay. Seems slightly flimsy. I don't like this very much. Oh well. Okay, and now we do that again. So let's go ahead and put all these in first, because that's fast. Boop. Up. Boom. 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 All right, and now 1, 2, and 3. Okay, yeah, that's right. 3, and 1, 2, 3 with a button, and then we put them together. Button, button, and now on top, like so. Boop. 2. Button. 3. And, oh, wrong one. Like that. Okay. Now we put these on top, on the corners, like this. Can you see me? Do I need to come closer? Yes, I do. Okay. So we put them on top like this. 1, 2. Nice. 3 and 4. Boop. All right. And now we put together this. So we need these 4 parts. Not you, golden button. You stay in there for now. 4. And these 4. And these sort of like S-shaped ones as well. Okay. 4. And 1. 2. Got it. And there's one more we need. I think. Did I already get it out? Yes, I did. Okay, silly. Now, we get this and like so. And then put this on top of here, like that. With these 2 sticking out like that. Okay, perfect. So now we do 4 of these. Boo-da-boop-boom. Boo-da-boo-doo-boo-boom. Boo-da-boom-boom. Boo-dum-bum. Bum. We chillin' out, maxin', relaxin'. All right, and now we use these to put this together. Okay, so how does this go? Oh no. Ah, okay, I see. I see you. Like this. And this connects like that. All right. Nice. No more banana. Carefully though, we don't want to have another disaster. Carefully. Okay. Last part. Do 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 do. Plugged in, yay! Carefully. Here we go. Look at that. Nice. It's all coming together. Okay. Set this up here. And now, next page. Boop. So, this part here. Okay, so we just get these 2. Like so. And we put it on top. So, the split facing the gray. Okay, so like this. Let's do half and half. Carefully. 1. It's in. 2. Whoop, whoop, it's in. Lovely. Lovely. Okay. And now, the remaining 8. Actually, not the remaining 8, but 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we get 8 of these. And fill in the gaps. Okay, cool. So let's carefully fill in the gaps. 1, 2, 1. Gotta be really careful here, not use too much strength, just enough strength. We don't want to have another disaster like in part 2. Oh, okay. Oh, he came apart. Get back in there, silly. I didn't use enough strength up here. Boop. You gotta stay connected there. Carefully. Carefully. Okay. We're back in business. Okay. Connecting you. Okay. And the last 2 pieces here. Boop. Ah! Don't drop it. Boop. Alrighty. Okay, so we got the panels in. Now let's set you back here. Let's set you like that so it's a little bit more visible on the camera. Okay, and now next page. Alrighty, so we're gonna get the 4 remaining white pieces and the 4 remaining black pieces up here. Ah, I see. And we're going to consolidate on the top. So black on the left, white on the right, like this. 1 and 2, like so. Okay. Now I'm gonna sit down and do the rest. Do 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 do. One, 2, and the last ones. 1, 2. Okay. And now the gold buttons go here. Oh, we don't want to drop you. Gold buttons up top in the center here. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. The song's picking up. Alrighty. Next page. These 8 seat parts. Ooh, this is the end of part 3. Almost. So we take these and set them here, like so. But we need 2. Okay, so we set them like this, like that. We're sticking out slightly. What's this like? I think it needs to stick out a bit, so yeah, like that. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Oops. Like that. There we go. And that's it. Part 3 complete. Yay. Focus on there. Alrighty, look at that. It's all coming together. Part 3 is finished. This is lovely. Boom, 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 boom. The music is celebrating too. Part 3 is over. Part 3 is completed. So let's set the rocket down here like this. Boom. Alrighty. Wonderful. Part 3 done. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this one. Part 3's been pretty short, but nice. So yeah, join me for part 4 coming up, where we're going to continue consolidating our rocket and continue adding different parts. The next topper there, and then some things along the sides. We're going to close it all up. It's going to be nice. So yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me on part 3. I hope you want to join me for part 4. Alrighty, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Peace out.